Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to do a marble look with this white D&D polish. First thing you're going to do is do your first coat, cure for 30 seconds, and then apply your second coat. Also cure that for 30 seconds. After you finish your second coat, you want to make sure that you have this green gel polish, got it from Dollar Tree, as well as you are going to need your cleanup brush. It doesn't matter what kind of cleanup brush. This is the one I have. You're also going to use acetone. You can as well use alcohol, but I prefer acetone. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your nail and you're going to draw squiggly lines on it. They do not have to be perfect because you're going to take your cleanup brush and you're going to spread it around like this with the acetone. Be careful not to do it too much because it can cause your gel polish to lift. But you're going to do these lines. You can do them however you want to. They don't have to be perfect. These are going to make your marble lines. Do them until you get the effect like I did. Next, I'm going to use this Beetles top coat in matte, but you can use regular polish. Or not regular polish, but regular clear top coat. I am going to put this in for 60 seconds. I did it personally for 30 seconds because this is a test nail, but 60 seconds for regular nails. After that, you will have the final look like I had. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see me do next, please let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for following. Have a great day.